Hey guys, this is going to be the repair documentation work for Brenda Edwards. This is the wind crease shingle we got. I'm going to be swapping it out today. As you can see, guys, the shingles above it, below it, beside it don't have any damage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the shingles. I'm going to unseal the shingles above it using my roof snake, and then nail in using my roof snake to minimize some of the manipulation of the shingle, and go as easy as I can, just not lifting it up more than I need to. I'm going to go ahead and unseal the ones above this wind crease to see where the nails are and get started, okay? Let's chalk back in. Okay, so here's the end, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3. So unseal these. Boom. There's one. There's two. Four. It's up here. Nailed a little high. All right, guys. There we go. Okay. You can kind of see. Oh, let me get this. Going back to GAF Sovereign, closest match we could find, pretty close match. As you can see, guys, kind of what we're running into above this one already. There's a little bit of creasing. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but some creases going on all the way across where this shingle was, guys. It wasn't there before. But I'm going to go ahead and continue the repairs and get this shingle in there as easy as we can. Okay. There we go. Look pretty even, Tim?
Yeah. There you go. There you go.
There we go, guys. Again, using my roof snake, I'm going to go back with 4 nails in the nail strip. 90 degrees with the decking. Not lifting this shingle more than I have to get it in there. Okay. Yeah, this thing's failing. Second nail. Third nail. Okay, last nail, guys. Last nail going in here. All right, Tim, if you zoom in, guys, you can definitely see we got some serious creasing going on above it. If my chalk will stay. There's some more. So, guys,